Gold back at 2020 levels with the market open today, and silver trading about 25 40 60 zone, which is a very good support zone. So now what to expect? Can we expect a rise from here, or they are going to drop? Which position you should take trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. First, let's have a look into the hourly. Now, see, look at the movement for gold on the hourly chart. See, consolidation here, then this drop. Now, this is retracing. So, what should be a retracement and a reversal? You can note here. Once it breaks past 2050, 2060 zone, this is the levels. If gold any point of time trades above this, then that should be the reversal. Else what it is trying to do, drop here, retracement here, then it will be followed with another round of drop. This is also very much possible. Hence, at least till 2040 we will not be considering this as bullish for now. But those who wants to take a short term position in an intraday trade, see, first of all, yes, if you see it trading below 2015, yes, you can sell here, but then 2010 is the level below which only further bearishness will prevail. Till it stays above 2015-2014 zone, do not sell gold today. But these are hourly charts. We will look into detail. Right now it is retracing, and hence any point of time in future, in today itself, if you see it dropping below 2015, you can sell here. Right now it appears to be bullish, and see the slope has changed suddenly after stagnating here, which means above 2025 you can still expect a rise. How far it can stretch? Possibly 2032, 2036 levels should be seen. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought. Look at MACD. Now, see MACD on the hourly charts crossing over at bottom, starting to diverge, indicating slight bullishness. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, now trading comfortable. Now, look at the 2-hour charts. Now, see what I am saying here is, after this drop, retracement, then another round of good drop can be expected. Now, see, when it was bullish, rise, consolidation, rise, then a rise, retracement. So this is how it traded, and now it is trying to trade like this. So at least till 2040 we should not be considering this for a reversal. Stochastic is back here in overbought zone. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy. Right now it is still in sell. However, look at this here, it has completed a very good journey, and hence possibly it may try to converge, crossover for a buy entry. We have to wait a little. RSI trying to trade bullish, looking upwards. On the 3-hour chart, now see, on the 3-hour charts, previously 3 to 4 candles got the resistance at 2020. This time it has breached. Possibly we are looking forward to a little more bullishness, and hence we can expect 2025, 2030 to 36 levels to be seen in if it continues to stay bullish from here. The stop loss here appears to be at 2015. The stochastic is trying to retrace. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is almost flat, and on the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, one green candle. See the size of the candle, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Second green candle can be seen. Still, it's not a reversal, and then I will wait for the third candle. How far it stretches, that is to be seen here. Now, also on the 4-hour charts, one more point you should remember. See the rise, retracement, creating the bottom. If it continues to stay above 2040, you can expect further highs are very much possible. Now, stochastic, which has dropped, is now seen rising. However, MACD on the 4-hour charts is bearish. It is divergent. Now, see, candles have started to diminish. The bearishness has started to diminish, and we can see here moderate bullish candles. RSI almost. Now look at the daily chart. See, it was divergent from the 20 period moving averages. It has converged, and now trying to again starts its upward journey. But the point to note here is the candle has started flat, and hence see possibly once it stays above 2025-32 zone, that is the zone beyond which the reversal will be little difficult. However, till 2040 at least I will not be considering this as completely a reversal. Only about 2040 we can consider this for a reversal. Right now it is trying to retrace. Stochastic looking down on the daily charts. MACD is in green, but it is trying to cross over for a sell. RSI almost flat. Hence, a sell entry today for gold is below 2014 and a buy entry is at 2024 levels. Above 2024, 28, 32, 36 and 40. $4 trailing stop loss till 2040. You have to book $4. That is what. See, this move is minuscule. However, we should not risk because this is still a retracement, not a reversal. Once we are sure that it has reversed, trading above 2040 2050 zone, you can just stay long. Possibly more bullishness is going to be seen there, and if it stays above 2060, nothing like that, it is going to achieve the all-time high levels again. So till then, you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See the sharp drop, retracement, and see it is trying to consolidate here. Now one more point here is 2570 and 2560. See, beautifully multiple candles getting restricted within this zone, and hence we have to wait for it to give a breakout either which ways. Yes, 2070, 2080. See, now the range I am broadening here, 2040 to 28, 2540 to 2580. We have to be watchful, cautious here. Now, if you look at, see, 2570 certainly a good resistance, 2560 very good support. Let's see which direction it breaks out. But then above 2570, you can still expect 2580, which is my favorite number. Beyond that, yes, 26 will be the next target. So if it stays above 2580, you can buy again. Now see, the stochastic on the hourly charts is rising. The MACD has crossed over at a bottom, trading with little divergence. RSI almost flat. And if you look at on the 2-hour chart, similar is the story. However, previous candle has a very long tail. Very long tail indicates that it can continue in the opposite direction, which means there should be a good buy entry once it stays above 2570 levels, which is also the 20 period moving average on the 2-hour charts. Now see, stochastic here is retraced till overbought zone, but the MACD is still bearish. It has not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over and then possibly more rise, more bullishness. RSI flat. And if you look at 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, see couple of retracement candles, one bullish candle. Let us stay about 2570 and more bullishness there. Specifically about 2580, it is going to fly high for 26 levels, 2590, 26 levels. On the downside, below 2560, yes, you can sell. However, more bearishness, 2550, 2540. These two levels has to be erased, has to be achieved in order to confirm the crash there. The stochastic has reversed. The MACD is still bearish here. It has not yet crossed over. On the 3-hour charts, RSI almost flat. And if you look at 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour charts, after the drop, this is the retracement, getting the resistance. Let it break out, more bullishness if it stays above 2570, and specifically till 26 levels, we have to be extremely cautious. Beyond that, certainly we are going to see it flying high. You have to put a $10 trailing stop loss on the upside because the day is big. Almost 16 hours are in front of us, and hence we have to trade with caution. It can give you good swings. A stochastic now trading with a slight positive slope, but the MACD is still bearish. It is still trading with divergence. It still indicates that there is still room for silver to drop further. RSI almost flat. Now look at the daily. Firstly, on the daily chart, see the candle has started on a low. It has created a tail. Creating the tail, it is looking forward to an upward move. If it stays above 2570, the median price, not the buy or sell price, the median price, if it stays up, because the candle always displays the median, you can stay long for 2580, and then beyond that, further bullishness going to take it till towards 2590 or $26 levels. The stochastic was overbought, looking down. MACD is still bearish. It has not yet crossed over. RSI very near to the overbought zone. Considering this, you can buy silver today at 2570 levels. That is up. See, because this is applicable only for a time being. Because see, 2570, if it achieves, we can definitely say that 2580 will be the next stop for silver. Every 10 cents till $26, you have to put a trailing stop loss. But I do not want to for you to miss a ride or opportunity, and that is why nearest entry I am providing. However, I am also cautioning you that till 26, do not consider that it is completely bullish. It can swing other ways also, and hence you have to put a stop loss at cost at least. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 25.60 levels itself, or rather let's broaden a bit, 25.55, 25.75 zone. You should keep it and then wait for it to take it a direction. On the downside, you can sell at 25.60. However, remember 25.50, 25.40, very good support zone, and below 25.40 only further bearishness is going to be seen. So till the time it stays within the zone, we have to be cautious, and in fact throughout the day we have to specifically be cautious and alert for 25.40, $26 zone, a 60 cents zone where we need to remain cautious and alert. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship by join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.